Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be replacing my fog lights. The reason why I'm doing that is because as the last two other videos that I did, I installed the white ones and then I installed the blue ones, and I was having a rough time figuring out the reason why they were giving out. And so I figured out might as well just replace the fog lights to see if that will change the problem. Okay guys, so we finally got it taken out, and this is the reason why I'm telling you guys. You see how moist it is, all wet? They give out. Well, this is how it looks, guys. See you in a little bit. Okay guys, so I used the pry tool to push back the tabs back, and this released the light. Look how dirty it is, guys. And here it is. This is the little tabs that I'm talking about. Push them back and they released it. Set it up there for now. Let me see. Set it. This is the final look. I'm sad that I didn't get to do the colorful ones. I know. But this is how they look. The final product. As you could tell, it's already nighttime. Took us a while. But yeah, they're yellow. I'm going to keep them like that for a bit until I find the ones I want, because unfortunately the other ones didn't work. But yes, they look bright. We replaced the fog light and the LED bulbs. This is because I'm trying to focus, guys, so you can see. It looks way better now. Yes, that's how it looks, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.